Thanks for coming back to watch another video here. How do we shorten our bracelet? This is for beginners, so it might be slow for experienced people. First, we'll notice you have these pins and these links. These links with pins are removable. However, we're going to try to adjust it the easy way using only the clasp here. First thing you want to notice, the clasp has a head and a tail. We always want to work from the tail and not from the head. Watch this. Bring the tail, flip it over, and this section is the part that we're going to move a little bit further inside of that clasp. The way we're going to do this is we're going to use a toothpick, a needle, a safety pin, a piece of wire, anything with a straight point like this. You're going to push it inside that hole, and that's going to depress. That's going to depress the pin that's holding it. And at the same time, we're going to pull that out. All right, now watch this, like a pancake. We flipped it over. Both pieces flipped over together. That way you've got bottom side and bottom side. Nothing being mixed up here. Next thing we do, to handle this thing comfortably, I'll show you how to do this so that you're not fighting with it for a long period of time. You're going to put your pin in first. Yes, that's a plastic protective covering. After you get your pin in, what you're going to do is seat the pin on the bottom side of the clasp first. So let's say we want to make the bracelet a 1/2 inch shorter. That's going to be about 4 holes deep. So let's come hole 2, hole 3, hole 4. All right. We'll find hole 4. We'll seat the pin. There it is, right there. It's seated in hole 4. Using your thumb, keep that bottom pin seated. And then simply push the top of the pin down while pushing forward. You can push this down with a point or a butter knife or a flat edge or a pair of tweezers. Oh, beautiful. Directly into the 4th hole. Then, battery's getting low here. Then we're going to give it a check. I see it seated here. It's seated there. Definitely in place. The end result, this side is now a 1/2 inch shorter. Any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for joining.